Guys, now we are going to start having the beautiful discussion about what is an enhancer for loop. So now what is an enhancer for loop and how to work with enhancer for loop? Ladies and gentlemen, you really enjoy working with what your friend definitely enhancer for loop. I'm sure about it. See, come on, this is an enhancer for loop. The syntax for the enhancer for loop. What is the syntax for the enhancer for loop, guys? Enhancer for loop is specially meant for reading the values from the collection. Kindly notice that. What is that? No, actually enhanced. Okay, enhanced for loop, right? Enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop is meant for what? Reading the values from the collection. Actually, it is basically meant for reading the values from what your friend reading the values from the collection. As you know, guys, that array is an example for what? Array is an example for a collection. Yes, absolutely. Can I use an answer for loop for arrays? Why not? As you guys already aware, an answer for loop is reading the values from the collection. From the collection, right? So, but array is an example for collection. So we can use this enhancer for loop for reading the value from the collection. I'm sure that once you understood this enhancer for loop, you never look back about the traditional coding practice. Yes, okay, let's have a look here, my dear friend. But what I am taking, this is our ultimate goal is what? Reading the value from the collection. Yes, this is what reading the value from the collection, colon. So just what your friend, we require some variable. We require some variable. And before the variable, you need to give the data type. Guys, this is what the syntax for the enhancer for loop in Java. Yes, but here, this is a loop body. If you want, you can write a statement or group of statement, that's up to you. But okay, as I said you right now, if you want, you can also write like this, that will be fine. That will be fine, but I am very much fascinated to write like this. As I said you many times, my dear friend. This is a way, now we can do this. This is a way. So what is an enhancer for loop? Guys, please give me a moment. An enhancer for loop, okay, meant for reading the values from the collection. Number two, enhancer for loop always starts reading the value from the collection from the beginning, and the process will be keep on the and the process will be continued till end of the collection. Kindly notice that. Enhancer for loop is giving the beautiful facility for you guys to read the value from the collection from the beginning, and the process will be continued till end. But unfortunately, enhancer for loop is not given any facility for you guys to read the partial element. Crazy? Enhancer for loop is not giving a facility for you to read the partial element. I mean to say, we have an array with 1,000 elements. We have an array with 1,000 elements. But sir, I want to read first 100 elements only by using enhancer for loop. Will it be possible? No. Sir, I want to read the what your friend first 100 element, for 100 to 200 elements I want to read it. Will it be possible? Array is having like. But no, there is no possibility to read the partial element from there. But if you are using the enhanced for loop, always start reading the value from the collection from the beginning, and the process will be continued till end. Yes, my dear. Process will be start from the beginning, will be continued till end, my dear friend. That is what you need to understand. Okay, let me show you one small example here. Yes, let me show you. You really can enjoy working with this. There is a what dear friend. Now here I'm taking some array collection. Integer array a equal to, will be taking say 10, 20, 30 or whatever the number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's up to you. You can go with any numbers of type integer. But for easy to understand, I will be taking 1 through 5. Yes, my dear. What is happened now? One collection is created. Which collection? Integer collection is created. Yes, integer collection is created. 1, 2, 3. Next one is what your friend 4 and 5. It is an integer collection is created. And this collection is referred by what your friend A. This collection is referred by A. But now what is enhancer for loop will do? Yes, what is your plan then? I'm planning to read all the values. I'm planning to read all the values from that A collection. Then do what? For loop. Follow the syntax, man. Collection. Which collection you want to read the value from? I want to read the values from the collection A. But A is a variable of what type of collection? Is an integer type. Integer type. Syntax, data type, then variable, colon. Then what happens, my dear friend, you know? It will be fetching one by one element from the collection A. Now you can observe this. It will be fetching A. First, it will fetching the first value to A to I. Then it will be fetching what your friend second value then we'll be fetching what your friend second value, then we'll be fetching third value. The process will be continued till end. First, what is taken now? What is the value is taken into I? One is taken into the variable I from the collection A. Then I want right now system dot out dot println of I. Then what you are getting, you will be getting what your friend 1. Then again it is going to what your friend A collection. It will take the second object from the A collection. Second element from the A collection is what? 2. 2I. Just the 2 is taken into the I and printing a what your friend just a 2. Then again it will visit to the A collection. It will take the third element 3 to the I and the I value is printed. The same way, now it is taking the another element, that is what 4 is taken into I and the 4 is printed. Similarly, finally, we are going to the A collection. It is fetching the last element to the I and the I value is what your friend 5. And just again it will go to the A collection. Do we have any more? No more. Simple, it will come out. This is the beauty of an answer for. So right, okay, now onwards you can write like this, my dear. But as I said, you open and close the curly braces are optional if you want a process. So where you want to read, I won't read from A collection. But A is a collection of type what? Integer. Get one by one element from that. You can write system dot out dot println of I. Even this will be fine, my dear friend. This will be fine. Yes, we can do a whole lot of things. We can do a whole lot of things like. For you to get an idea, let me take one small example, my dear friend. Requesting all, kindly observe this. So you will be using what your friend, this is the left hand side is an ordinary way, right hand side is an enhanced way. Assume there is a one array is here with me, man. Just there is an array with me. Guys, I'm requesting your focus. So there is a what your friend now, there is an array. Here is a what your friend integer array set. Integer array A equal to, we have some values set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set. These are the values at this. Then I won't write the code to read all the values from the array. Sir, it is not a great matter. As we guys already aware, for integer I equal to 0, I less than what your friend A dot length, then I value to be increased. Okay. This process will process system dot out dot println, getting what your friend A of I, then you will be getting, this is an ordinary way. But just a shell, can we implement the same in the enhancer for loop? Why not, sir? For what is the collection? A is the collection, sir. Where you want integer I colon, that's yes, sir. Then you can write now, open and close if you want, you can ignore that system dot out dot println of, that is what, sir, I. Then both are the same. Both are the same. Sir, I won't write the program, sir. I won't write small piece of program to find the sum of array elements. This is not a great matter for you guys. Integer is equal to 0. Then S of 0, S of 1, sorry, what is that now? Array is what? A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. The index values, you guys already aware. Index value starts with what, your friend? This index value starts with something like 0. This is a 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. That is what index value. Then what is our intention? A of 0 plus A of 1 plus A of 2 plus A of 3 plus A of 4. So that you will be getting sum of array elements. So what I have to do? Then for integer I equal to 0, I less than what, sir? A dot length, then I value to be increased. Wonderful. What is your plan, sir? Then I am taking S equal to S plus A of 5. This loop will just finding the sum and finally printing the value. Now system dot out dot println of the sum is what, your friend? I'll be taking what, your friend? Yes. So no doubt, just when you write like this, you will be getting 1 to 5 is what now? 15 you are getting that. So that is what, your friend, this is a way you are getting. Well, the same thing, can I do it with enhancer for loop? Yes, my dear friend, definitely you can do this. This is the way, same. What is your plan? Sir, I want to read one by one new value from the A collection. Then whose value changing, sir? I value changing. Then what you have to write, my dear friend? If you write like this, you will be getting S equal to S plus I. That is great enough. And finally, we can write system dot out dot println of the sum is there in the variable of what, your friend, is. This is way you can work with an answer for loop. Yes. Then ordinary way is a traditional way, already you're aware of it. So why don't you use a new concept? That's the reason I am all the time personally requesting every individual, you better learn with what, your friend, latest version, so that you will be getting what, your friend, code optimization techniques will be input. As extent as possible, if you are expand your knowledge, no doubt you are going to be a smart developer there. So let me show you this one practically, guys. Let me show you with practically. I want to go with what your friend knew other writing Java and arrays. Then what your friend class enhanced for loop. Okay, enhanced for loop. Yes, I am writing enhanced for loop. Yeah, enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop. What is that now? I will be taking this one public static void main of string aux array. Yes, okay. Enhanced for loop. Here you can write now, sir, integer array a equal to, I'll be taking 10 or 20, 30, 40, 50, no issue. I want to write the code to read all the values and display it now. For which collection you want to read the value from, sir? I want to read the value from the collection A. I want to read the value from the collection A. A is a variable of type integer. Let me take one by one value from that. I want to print what your friend system.out.println of I. Yes, system.out.println of I. If you want, as I said, you write. If you want, you can write this way. Truly speaking, that here open and closed are also ultimately optional when you want to process a single statement. As you are processing single statement, no worries. I want to go with what your friend say, ef loop.java, an answer for loop.java. I'll be going to the command prompt, guys. Java C ef loop.java. Wonderful. Java ef loop. Example. When you press enter, you're seeing the values. Sir, I want to write the code to find the sum of those values, sir. Will it be possible? Yes. Yes, I'm writing integer is equal to 0 for what is my requirement? Integer j colon a. No issue, no issue. Until I'm taking different variable. It is taking one by one value from the a collection into the j, then s equal to s plus what your friend j. Then finally, once the loop is completed, we can process the value. That is what your friend sum is there in the variable case. I hope you guys understood. Okay, this is what the way. Now you can observe this. I'll be going for the compilation and run it now. You're seeing that sum is what your friend 150. So this is what your friend just I'm saying that enhanced for. So just when you people are stretching yourself, yes, your code is going to be optimized like anything. Yeah, I hope now you understood, my dear friend. This is about what your friend just enhanced for loop. So now onwards, here and there, I will be using this enhanced for. So here and there, I will be using this is what your friend enhancer for loop. But this is what the difference you need to understand. We can just enhancer for loop is specially meant for reading the value from the collection. It is always taught reading the value from the collection from the beginning, and the process will be continued till end. The process will be continued till end. Got it, my dear? This is what about a single dimensional arrays enhanced for loop like this.